Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the language that's dubbed for the anime that you're watching on Netflix. So to do this, just go to the series that you want to change the language for, click OK or select on your remote, and then scroll down to where it says audio and subtitles, click OK on that. So then you have different subtitle options if you want, but then also it's going to have later on all of the different audio options that you have. So for the Seven Deadly Sins anime, there's a ton of different languages here. You have English, French, German, Japanese, as well as Spanish. So you can click whichever option you want in that instance. Now, every single anime is going to have different options. Some of them might not even have an English option. That's something you're going to have to keep in mind. It's going to depend on a series by series basis, or even a season by season basis, where maybe it'll have the English offering for the dub in the earlier seasons, but maybe not the later seasons, or vice versa. So it's just going to kind of depend on the series, what season you're watching, and what Netflix has access to for their offering. So that's where you're going to be able to check on the different audio options that you have for the anime selected. I hope this video was helpful. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.